So hey guys, it's your girl Ty. This is just basically the ash blonde tutorial on the hair that I did. I used the Revlon colors. It's colors 61 and 60, and I'm just showing you the box there, what they look like. And I didn't even use any of this, so I could have just cut that out, but I'm too lazy, so yeah. And now I'm just mixing everything into the bowl. I really wasn't sure what I was doing, so I was kind of just winging it. And I was like, okay, that's the color. And I just basically did the same thing for the other color. But I actually mixed colors 60 and 61 together. I actually got it from Trendy K. I saw her do her ash blonde tutorial, and me and her have the same skin color, so I usually like to go and watch people tutorials on hair color that have the same skin color as me. So yeah, so I just mixed it up, and then I got the Weather Charmer. I don't really know what I needed it for, but I just poured like a little more than a cup and a half in. And now I'm just gonna mix it up. And yep, there's just me mixing it up. Mix. Please disregard anything you hear in the background, by the way. It's always noisy at my place, so you never know what will happen. But I'm still just mixing it, and I kind of started to get messy and spill it a little bit. And y'all, don't talk about my ghetto comb. I know it look ghetto. It's been through a lot. But I kind of just mixed it over top of the hair in case I spilled anything else. Now I'm about to start applying the hair color / dye to the hair. And by the way, this hair is from AliExpress. I'll leave all the details in the description box. I only paid $59 for it, and it came in like 4 days. So amazing. Very impressed. And I'm doing this very sloppy. I'm just basically sticking my hand in the dye and then rubbing it all in on the hair, making sure I'm getting each strand so it's nice and even. And yeah, so there's just me making sure it's nice and even, just glopping it on there. And I'm kind of separating the hair like on the inside so you can kind of see where it's going. Tried to make it as visible as possible. So yeah. So I know I've been away from YouTube for like so long. I've just been so busy with freaking school and work. Like I was literally working 40 hours a week and then going to night class. Like it's crazy. Alright, so now I'm just flipping the wig over and getting the back, making sure there's no spots so it comes out nice and even. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna really start getting back to YouTube like July, because I'm moving to a new place and I have roommates, so it's like I never can find time to film where it's not busy or things are going on around the house or getting interrupted type of thing. So once July hits, I'll be moving to a new place and I'll just be way more consistent. Don't want to make any promises that I'm not going to keep. Alright, and then now you see me just taking my wide tooth comb and kind of just combing through and making sure the hair dye is all over the hair, making sure it'll come out nice and even. And you don't want to be too rough when you're doing this process of combing it. You want to just make sure it's nice and smooth, making sure it's getting in the hair. Y'all, I was making a mess in my bathroom. Like, it was just a hot mess. But I was in love with this hair color, and I know I needed to film to let y'all see this bomb color so we can all get right for this summertime. because I'm here for this color. Like, y'all just wait. Y'all just wait. Wait. I'm gonna be popping out with colors all summer long. Like, what? Popping. Complete popping out. So here's the end results, and then afterwards I just blow dried it out. It came out amazing.
Kid, I tell him to bring me my money, then beat it. Get a nigga back to the streets, ayy. Ask your man, not me, ayy. Only see him.